So we left off at we're looking at a vinyl record that has a diameter of 30 centimeters, or a typical one, and when played on a turntable, it's spinning at 33 1/3 revolutions per minute. So we found the angular speed. And remember, when I say angular speed, that's going to be the rate that the the vinyl is rotating around this fixed point. So the revolution's going around. So now what we're going to do, part B, is going to be to find the linear speed at the outer edge of the record as it spins. So find the linear speed at the outer edge of the record as it spins. And again, let's do nearest tenth, and then we're also going to do in centimeters per second. Okay, excuse me. So, linear speed, remember, is going to be v equals, so the velocity equals the radius times theta divided by time. And remember, r times theta, this right here is just s, which is the arc length. So, velocity equals, theta, remember, is going to be 33 1/3 times 2 pi, because it's spinning that many times, and one revolution is going to be 2 pi. So that's theta, times the radius, which is 15, because they gave us the diameter, remember, is 30 centimeters. So the radius is going to be 15 centimeters, and that is per 1 minute. Now, we asked for centimeters per second, so we're going to do some dimensional analysis and multiply 1 minute in 60 seconds. So now we're going to get rid of our time in minutes, and we are now in seconds. And now we'll simplify. So I'm going to rewrite this. Remember, 33 1/3 is going to be the same as 100 thirds, because 33 times 3 plus 1, so 100 thirds times, actually we could just change that to 200 thirds times pi times 15 all over 60. And then this simplifies, right? So 15 and 3, that's going to be 5, right? So V is going to equal 5 times 200, so we got 1,000. And then 1,000 over 60 can be reduced to 50 thirds. So this is going to be our exact answer, centimeters per second. But we want approximate, and we'll do nearest tenth again. So 50 divided by 3 times pi, we can do that in our calculator, and you should get 52.4 centimeters per second. And then just remember, write myself a side note again. So this is exact, and this is approximate. Okay, so Angular speed, when we found an angular speed of this, that was like from the center to the outside, we're going around. Linear speed is just the edge, so we just care about going around the outside distance. Okay? And that's it.